name is Jaylin Waijugaram from BSBI HR 3G, and I will discuss the recent issue of Philippine Offshore Gambling Operators or POGO. The article talks about the problems with the Philippine Offshore Gambling Operators or POGO, especially after a big scandals involving Alice Go, a former mayor. POGOs were originally set up to help the economy, but over the time, they started hiding illegal activities like human trafficking, money laundering, and drug crimes. Investigation found that Go was linked to these illegal actions, showing that there was a lot of corruption and problems within the Philippine government. As a result, the president decided to shut down all POGOs by 2024. But there are still issues like workers losing their jobs and an increase in crime by those workers. One major event was a raid on POGO Center in March 2024, which showed that Goose Company was involved. The article says there need to be better rules and more cooperation with China to deal with workers who are here illegally and to close the remaining POGO centers. Even though the government is trying to shut them down, there are still many challenges in stopping this illegal operation and dealing with the problem they cause. Larry Itlong. Larry Itlong was a Filipino-American who fought for farm workers' rights. He passed away on February 8, 1977 at the age of 63 in Delano, California. Itlong was really important in organizing the 1965 Delano Great Strike, which helped create the United Farm Workers or UFW Union. He worked with Cesar Chavez to get better pay and safer working conditions for farm workers. Itlong is remembered for his huge impact on labor movements and is known as one of the main Filipino who helped build the West Coast labor movement. He worked for farmers' rights in many places like Alaska and California. Itlong also supported civil rights for Asian Americans. Today, his legacy lives on through murals and a special day in California called Larry Itlong Day, which started in 2015. His work still inspires people to fight for workers' rights, especially for immigrant workers. Thank you.